Hello, my dear viewers and friends. I'm here again with my composition, my entry for spoken word poetry number 4. The theme is My Word, and my entry title is When My Word Was Gone. One time in the past, I was in the world of single blessedness. My word was transformed when I entered the sanctity of marriage. One man became my word. He was the last I saw at night when I closed my eyes. He was the first I saw at mornings when I woke up. So he became my word. So he became my life. When he got sick, little by little, my word collapsed, as if an earthquake shook the ground. When he died, my heart and the whole of me crushed. Living without him is like living in an isolated land. My life, my word, is no longer a pillar to lean on when I stand. I am in the world of miseries without a shoulder to find when I cry. Now my word has gone, and my life is now in vain. I sleep the night of sorrows and meet each day with pains. Yes, my husband was my life, my word, and my all. Thank you.